I bought and tested these exercise machines so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking to shed some pounds or just stay fit at home, I've got the inside scoop on 5 machines that can help you get the job done. Let's dive into this journey together.
Product number 1. GLYLF Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. First up is the GLYLF Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Picture this. After a long day at work, I set it up in my living room ready for a quick workout. The first thing I noticed was its sleek design and lightweight nature, making it a breeze to move around. With 130 adjustable speed levels, I was able to customize my workout to match my energy levels. I started with the lower settings just to get a feel for the vibrations. The first few minutes felt like a gentle massage, and I could already feel my muscles engaging. I was surprised at how effective just 10 minutes felt. Plus, with its Bluetooth connectivity, I connected my phone to pump some tunes, which kept me motivated. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the GLYLF machine offers a whole body workout and helps with lymphatic drainage in addition to weight loss. The multifunctional aspect, with its automatic modes and resistance bands, really caters to users of all fitness levels. However, I did find it a bit noisy at higher settings, which could be a distraction if you're in a quiet space. So, why should you buy this vibration plate? If you're someone who wants a versatile, compact machine that offers a quick and effective workout, the GLYLF is a solid choice. It's perfect for those busy days when you can't spare an hour at the gym. Just jump on, crank up your favorite playlist, and you're good to go.
Product number 2. AXV Vibration Plate Fitness Platform. Next, let's talk about the AXV Vibration Plate. I was excited to try this because it promised to help sculpt my body while being easy to use. As I stepped onto the platform, the blue color was striking and it felt sturdy beneath my feet. The first thing I appreciated was the remote control. No bending down to adjust settings. I cranked up the vibration speed and could feel my muscles contracting in a way that was both surprising and satisfying. I loved the fact that I could do a quick, effective workout in just 10 minutes. On the benefits side, the AXV plate really does engage your muscles and can enhance blood flow, making it great for recovery too. The Bluetooth speaker feature was a big bonus for me. I could easily listen to music while working out. However, one drawback I noted was that the machine is slightly heavier than others, which could affect portability. So, why consider this machine? The AXV vibration plate is perfect for anyone looking to combine convenience with efficiency. If you're trying to tone your body and burn fat without spending hours working out, this machine offers a fantastic solution.
Product number 3. LifePro Waver Vibration Plate. Moving on, the LifePro Waver Vibration Plate caught my eye for its promise of enhancing muscle activation. I set it up and immediately noticed its robust build. It felt like a serious piece of equipment. The oscillation movement was something I was curious about, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. As I started my session, I could feel a noticeable difference in how my muscles responded compared to traditional workouts. The machine comes with bands, which added variety to my routine. The pros include its powerful motor and customizable speed settings, 99 of them to be exact. This means you can tailor your workout according to your fitness level. The user-friendly display made monitoring my progress a breeze. However, I found it a bit bulky compared to others, making it less suitable for small spaces. Why should you buy the LifePro Waver? If you're serious about muscle engagement and recovery, this machine is worth your investment. It's ideal for those who want to take their home workouts to the next level while ensuring their muscles are activated and engaged. Product number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. Now, let's shift gears to the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper. This compact machine is a gem for those wanting to get their cardio in without taking up much space. I was pleasantly surprised by how sturdy it felt despite its small size. The first time I used it, I appreciated how quiet it was. No loud clanking or noise, just smooth stepping. I started with the resistance bands, which added a nice touch to my upper body workout while working my legs. The LCD monitor was a great addition, keeping track of my steps and calories burned. On the upside, the mini stepper is incredibly portable and easy to store, making it ideal for anyone living in a small apartment. However, the stepping motion might take some getting used to for beginners, as it requires a bit of coordination. So, why buy the Sunny Mini Stepper? If you're looking for a space-saving solution for cardio workouts, this is a fantastic option. It's effective, affordable, and perfect for those who want to squeeze in a workout while watching TV or working at a desk.
Product number 5, Nice Day Stepper. Lastly, we have the Nice Day Stepper, which I found to be another excellent option for home workouts. Right out of the box, it was ready to use, and I loved how light it was, making it easy to move around. The first workout was a breeze thanks to the smooth hydraulic system that offered a high resistance. I could feel the burn in my legs almost immediately, and the quiet operation was a huge plus. The stride adjustment knob allowed me to tailor my workout intensity easily. The major pros include its quiet operation and adjustable resistance, which makes it suitable for users of all fitness levels. However, the lack of an advanced display might leave some users wanting more in terms of tracking progress. So, why should you consider the Nice Day Stepper? It's perfect for those who want an effective cardio workout in a compact form. If you need something that's easy to use and fits in tight spaces, this stepper is definitely a winner.